Want a drill that's always sharp, sterile, and has an AO Quick Connect drill bit plus K-wire driver features all in one? Your answer is Phasor. It's cost-effective and the only known FDA-cleared disposable drill of its kind. Based upon the successful adoption of neurosurgical phasers at major trauma centers nationwide, the case for Phasor ORTHO is strong. An independent study analyzing reusable versus disposables found tremendous cost savings, totaling over $700 per case when disposables were used. Even with Phasor's affordable price of under $500, there is net savings to hospitals in sterilization and tray processing costs, even without counting the initial reusable equipment expense, adding up to potentially hundreds of thousands in savings. Phasor, immediately available power, easy operating use, and a unique quick connect mechanism that accommodates drill bits and K-wire driver. More at phasorhealth.com. Contact us to ask for a free trial today.